I'm going to come round to the back corner where the railway is and strim under these bushes. This could do with a little bit of a trim, this bush in the back. Okay, so we've come across something quite interesting and slightly mysterious. I'll show you what it is. There's a metal plaque that I think says MR. Yeah, it looks like MR to me, but there's another one. So we'll see what this says. I saw the first one when I was strimming, but I never saw this second one until I started clearing this hedge. So there's one, MR, you can see it there, and then there's another one, you can see it even better there, and they are solid as a rock, and there's nothing on the other side. Oh my god, I think I know what it is. I think I know what that is. It's, I think it's to do with the railway. The railway is right at the bottom of the garden here, like way down here, right at the bottom of really quite a significant slope. You know, easily the height of 2 or 3 houses. I mean, maybe even more. It's really quite far down there. It's difficult to do it justice. But M does happen to be the name of the place we're in. And then R would be the railway, so M, it's the first letter of the town we're in, so it could be that railway. Oh, how interesting. I'll have to show the owners. I don't know how they're fixed in the ground or what they're to do with. They're certainly in the way of this rather large tree. Would have been there quite a while, but this railway will be over 100 years old, maybe even much more than that, and so is this house.